Vlogmas. My name is Brianna, and yes, I am driving, and I'm not holding my phone. It has its day. Okay, whatever. We got that over with. Okay, so right now I'm going up to a photo shoot, a little Christmassy thing. Christmas is almost here, but I want to get the last couple photos in, and photos I can be really using for a little while. So I needed to just get in the car and go. This is how I relax. So I'm very, very excited for this because I just realized taking photos is like really just a way for me to like let loose and actually like sit back and breathe. I'm a very like busy person. I have so much I want to do and I love to do it, and my mind's always racing, and I've not been able to find another way that I can just like relax actually, because I can't sit down and really watch TV. I always have to be doing something, and so drives, I can't do anything because my hands in the wheel and just like breathe, and like I'm still thinking, but I think I'm just more like I can actually relax. And then I take the photos too, I just kind of get into the zone. So I really like it, so I'm excited to be doing this today. So yeah, I'm gonna head up the canyon to take these photos. Also, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Hello everybody. So I'm up at the first location. It's pretty cold, so I did get some shots, but I'll show you a little more. So just off to the side of the road, I found this spot. It's a lot more snow than I thought. I don't usually come in mountains, so there's you kind of go. There you kind of go. But I'm gonna go back down. Actually, like at the very beginning of the canyon, there was a really pretty spot, but I just mostly just wanted to go on a drive today, so that's where I'm at here. Okay, I'm at a different location. This one, I'm kind of walking around a little more. It's like a popular trail here, but it's covered over in snow, so it's like a little snow hike. So it's pretty nice. It's loud because there's the highway right next to it. Oh, it's so pretty though. Let me show you.
It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh.
Whew. Well, I'm back now. It was a little cold. It was a lot cold. But I got everything. Well, I got a few different locations and kind of shots, so hopefully the photos turn out. Go check out my Instagram, because that's where I post all my photos. So if you ever want to see them, go see them on there. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, the princess video, it's up for sure. It's on Instagram. It's on Facebook. Excuse me. So you guys can go see them all there. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. I'm just Brianna Joe. Woo! I'm out of breath. So I'm really excited to have that out and see how it goes. Hey you guys, look at him a little more. I'm right here underneath my Christmas tree. I'm just laying here and relaxing. This is actually one of my favorite Christmas activities to do. It's just to lay down underneath the tree and just relax. It's so much fun, and I believe in relaxing. Well, I need to be the person to relax a lot more because I just don't. So today just been trying to just relax. I just got back from my sister's a little bit ago. We watched Into the Woods. If you didn't know, it was just put onto Disney Plus, Disney Prime, Disney Plus. I think Disney Plus, whatever their streaming system thing is. So we watched that together. So that was really fun. So I'm just gonna lay underneath my tree and just relax for a little bit. Before I have to edit more because Vlogmas means editing a lot of videos. Yep. Okay, guys, I know it's super dark. Maybe this little brighter will come right by the Christmas tree. Yay! Anyways, I'm gonna head off to bed. I am so tired. I have no energy to do anything else. So I'm gonna head off to bed, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Another day of Vlogmas. Have a great day, great night. Bye. I love you.